Hi friends! I hope you're feeling well. If not, you may have to go to the doctor. But that's okay. Doctors help us feel better. Sometimes I think it's fun to pretend to be a doctor or a nurse, and that's what we're going to do today. Kidsy Toys sponsored this video, and they sent me their doctor playset. We're going to use it to learn about the different tools that doctors use and to play a game. This will be fun. Let's do it! This doctor's medical kit comes in the form of an ambulance, and it's a carrying case for easy storage. It's made from clean, non-toxic plastic, and it has 9 different medical tools to use. It's ideal for ages 3 and up. Let's open it and look. Parents, Kidsy Toys is offering a 10% discount for being a Tea Time with Tayla viewer. So you can get the medical doctor kit for your kid by clicking the link in the description and use the promo code to get 10% off. Now let's count all of our tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 medical tools. Good job counting. Now let's learn what each tool does. First, we have an otoscope. This is used to look in your ear, like this. Doctors look at the condition of your eardrum to determine if there's any issues. Sometimes doctors use this to check your nose too. Let's look. Oh, all clear, Leonard. This is an otoscope. Next is an oral mirror. Everyone say, ah. Doctors use this to examine your throat. The angle of the mirror allows them to see hard-to-reach places, like the back of your mouth. Dentists also use mirrors like this to examine your teeth. That's called an oral mirror. Teeth look clean to me. This is called a reflex hammer. A doctor can use it to check your reflexes like this. Ready, Leonard? He has good reflexes. This test allows doctors to determine the health of your nervous system. Some reflex hammers are designed like a tomahawk. This one is called a queen square reflex hammer. It has a handle with a cylinder disc and a rubber bumper. This is a reflex hammer. Good reflexes. This is called a thermometer. Thermometers are used to check your temperature and make sure you don't have a fever. You put them under your tongue like this. When it beeps, you check the number to see what your temperature is. The average temperature for babies, children, and adults goes from 97 to 99 degrees. If your temperature is higher than that, you may have a fever. Mine says 98, so I'm good. Let's check yours. 97, all good. This is a thermometer. Next is this tool. It's called a syringe. It's a simple tool that consists of a tube and a plunger. Nurses use a syringe to check your blood, give you medicine or vaccines. I'm gonna give Leonard some medicine with this syringe. Here you go. There, that'll make him feel better. That's a syringe. Lastly, we have tweezers, we have clasps, we have scissors, and we have a pair of doctor glasses. These are all the color red. And what about these tools? These are the color yellow and blue. This one's yellow. These are yellow and blue. And the reflex hammer has a red ring on it. Now let's play a game. I'm gonna name the doctor tool and you help me find it. Let's start with these two. Which one is the syringe? This one or this one? Yeah, this this is the syringe. We use it to give medicine. Do you remember what this doctor tool is? It's a thermometer! It's used to check your temperature. Good job, everyone! If I need to check my baby's ears, which one of these would I use? Which one's the otoscope? This one or this one? Yeah, it's this one. This is how we would check my baby's ears. Now, this one is called a reflex hammer. Do you remember what it does? We check our reflexes. Yeah, it's a reflex hammer. That leaves one tool left. Remember, this is used to check your throat. Do you remember what it's called? An oral mirror! Yay! Playing doctor is so much fun, so thanks for playing and learning with me today. And these really neat toys are a really cool doctor set. Parents, don't forget to use the 10% off coupon code and get your child a doctor kit from Kidsy Toys by clicking the link in the description. I'll see you guys next time on Tea Time. Bye-bye!
Hey kids, thanks for watching Tea Time with Tayla. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified with brand new videos. And parents, visit teatimewithtayla.com to learn how Tayla can help celebrate your child's birthday.